और सीधे आपको ले चलते हैं संसद, जहां पर राहुल गांधी क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, ये सुनते हैं।
Debate for the, I think,
let me just
kindly make it brief.
Let me conclude, please. So I think this is an issue where, everybody says government opposition fighting all the time. This is one issue where we can show the country that we can also plan and work together to solve something that is critical. I think the government should have a discussion in Parliament. We should all have a discussion in Parliament. And we should try and not make it a discussion where we are abusing you and you are abusing us. I think we should make it a discussion where we are participating, we are showing the country that on this fundamental issue there is agreement and the best minds are going to be put into place to solve this issue.
Thank you.
I think it would be good if we have a discussion, detailed discussion, and then the Prime Minister puts in place a plan for each city, methodical, systematic plan on how within the next 5 or 10 years, maybe we cannot resolve the problem, but how we are going to impact the problem and make life for our people easier. Thank you, Speaker.